Hi, I'm John with Forbes Cybersecurity. A lot of our businesses are working from home today, but we do realize there's a lot of companies who are unable to do that for whatever reason. Maybe you're a manufacturing firm or you're a logistics company, or you have to work inside of people's houses or go on site for things, and you can't do that sort of work from home that other employees can. Well, do you have employees at your office that you're unnecessarily putting at risk that could do work from home? Does your dispatcher need to come into the office? Does your customer service people who answer the phone or handle emails need to come in? Does your executive suite need to come into the office and do those sorts of things? Well, have you considered having a secure remote access solution that allows them to do their jobs and not put them unnecessarily at risk when they don't need to travel on days where we have almost a foot of snow? Now, I know in the Cincinnati area that doesn't happen that often where you have this much snow, but when it does, are you prepared for it? Reach out to us. We can get you set up with a secure solution. 513-494-4444. I'm John with Forbes Cybersecurity, and let's get the conversation started and see how we can help you be secure.